Hello, today I'm very excited to give you an honest review of this SEIKO GMT sports watch that I got here. So I ended up getting this one because I needed a silver watch, and I think it looks pretty crisp. I honestly really like this. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off so you can see how it works. You got that nice clasp to go ahead and open there. Press these locks right here on the side, and then go ahead and take it off. It's got a really cool, I think it's like a Jubilee style watch band right here, which I really like. And of course we have a really cool watch here, which is cool because you can put the GMT timing on here. As you can see that red arrow right here. Let's say you're going overseas or in a different time zone. You can go ahead and set that arrow to a new hour. And then of course we have this hand right here. I like to keep this with my Eastern time, and then when I go overseas I'll move the red one. But it's easy and simple to do. We have this dial right here. We can go ahead and move around. As you can see, we can go ahead and set a timer right here as well. So it's super easy to do. You can even go backwards just like that. And then as the backing, as you can see, very, very cool. You have that automatic backing, so you don't really need to put a battery or replace any batteries in here. So that's really, really cool about this. Again, this is the SSK019 model. I absolutely love this watch. It's like a daily wear for me. I'm going to go ahead and put it on so you can see one more glimpse of it. I'd also like to say my wrists aren't very big at all. I thought this watch could be a lot bigger, which I was kind of scared of. But honestly, it fits very nice. My wrist is pretty skinny and it looks great. So if you're looking for a nice game changer watch, you've got to check this one out from SEIKO. I absolutely love this watch.